you. I am Novdit Supkar, studying in class 7 in Odisha, Adarsh Vidyalaya Timanpur. I am going to show my project on a special topic. It's called awareness creation. I make a model on a topic of prevention from Corona. Let's discuss how can we prevent ourselves from this dangerous disease. It's called Corona or COVID-19.
Coronavirus. So let's discuss what is Corona and the birth of Corona. On 31st December 2019, firstly the WHO discovered pneumonia at Wuhan in China. Then the Chinese scientists named it as 2019 nCoV. Then the whole world knew it as coronavirus. Coronavirus stands for CO means corona, VI means virus, D means disease. Coronavirus is a small germ. It is too small that we cannot see it with naked eyes. We need microscope to see this virus. So the present corona cases in whole world. In Odisha, total cases is 10.1 lakh, but the death rate is 7,969. In India, total cases 3.28 crore. Do not use the tissue paper for the second time after use once. Drop it into the dustbin. Corona spread by touching these things or articles also like phone, door, table, chair and etc. When a person with coronavirus can spread some virus particle to another person. When a person affected with the coronavirus is passed to all other person to cold, cough, fever with some particles of virus. But if that person having one marks, then he is 50% safe. But this person having 2 marks means he has 100% safety. So be smart in the situation of corona. So the smart S. Stay home when sick. M. Mask when out. A. Avoid large groups. R. Refresh indoor air. T. 10 feet is better than 6. And always use these things at home. When you are at home, always these things to save your home. Like sanitizer, dustbin, home cleaner, soap, cleaner and etc. to clean your home, because when your home is safety, then you will be safe. So the coronavirus enters the body from. We know that the body is entering from mouth and nose. Mouth and nose are the enter point of our body. So the virus enters the body through nose, mouth. First, government toilet and the second one is private toilet. In government toilets, corona is seen more and more. So do not use the toilet of government, because the government toilet is very crowded and crowd contain many kind of virus that is unsafe for our body. And second one is private toilet. In private toilet, it is always clean and used by the family members only. So always use the private toilet only, because it is safe for our body. So let's discuss the main theme of our project is prevention from corona. Let's discuss how can we prevent ourselves from the dangerous virus called corona or COVID-19. These are some points in which we can prevent ourselves from corona. Like point number 1, use masks for your own safety. Always use masks whenever you are going outside your home. Point number 2, do not touch your mouth, nose and eyes in unsafe hand. When your hand is unsafe, don't even touch your mouth, nose and eyes, because these are the entry point of our body. Point number 3, do not forget to use sanitizer always. Always wear a sanitizer when you are going out or inside your home, because this is very important to avoid the corona. Point number 4, stay away from crowd. Always stay away from the crowd because crowd contain many kind of virus. Stay away from them. Point number 5. Keep maintaining the social distance. Always maintain the 6 feet or more than 6 feet distance to avoid the corona because it is very important in the situation of corona. Then point number 6. We know that our government discovered a vaccine to avoid corona, which name is Covaxin. If we use them, then the corona did not affect us, and it is very necessary and very important in this time of period. So get vaccinated and be safe. Then point number 7. Test for corona. Test to check that you are suffering from corona or not. It is very necessary. If you are positive in corona, then your family members also in danger. So test. Always test the corona positive or negative. Point number 8. Take proper foods for good health. Always take boiled food, fruits and vegetables for your good health. It is very necessary and contain very much kind of proteins which is good for our health. Let's discuss some symptoms of corona that are no taste, no smell, headache, tiredness, cough, sneeze, fever, body pain and etc. If you got these symptoms, then consult with a doctor and check whether you are suffering from corona or not. So, do not use and use. Do not do and do. First, don't do high five, handshake, hug and any others. But do the air hug, distance talk, air hello, air high five and etc. And many people are died because of the coronavirus. Coronavirus is a very dangerous disease. We have to protect ourselves from this virus. So, always stay in home because home is the safest place in the world. Always stay in home. So, stay home and stay
On my
safe.
module for Inspire Award. Thank you very much.